Hello friends, welcome to Tech Nuggets. In the previous lecture, we discussed about type function and data type casting in Python. Today we will see how to provide user input and output in Python. So let's get started. Input function is used to take user input from the console. It reads a line from input, converts it to a string, and returns that. Print function is used to output data to the console. It can take multiple arguments and also support different data types. For example, here we are asking user to enter his name using input function, and then we are printing the username with hello. Now we are running this program. The output is it is asking for user's name. User has entered Shweta. Input function always returns a string. So if you need a different data type, you have to convert it explicitly. Let's see how we can convert input type to another type. For example, here we are asking user to enter his age using input function. Converting the input type to integer using int function. Printing user's age using print function. Now we are running the program. Let's say user has entered 21. Now we will see how to output variables using string formatting. There are two ways to do that. First with fstring and another with format method. Let's see example of these. Here we have created two variables, name and age. Now we will print both name and age using fstring. Now we are printing both name and age using format method. Let's see how to handle multiple inputs. For example, we are asking three numbers from the user to handle multiple inputs in a single line. You can use split method to separate them. Now we are storing these three numbers which we get from user into three different variables. Finally printing the sum of these three numbers. Now we are running the program and entering three numbers, that is 20, 24 and 28. Hope you understood input and output functions in Python. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Tech Nuggets for more insightful content. See you in the next video.